Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this color pot, you see, and I'm gonna share you a very simple way to make it sparkle again. Please watch until the end of this video, and I hope that tip will be very useful for you. And now I have some baking soda and some white vinegar. I will put some baking soda in a pot. Then we will add some vinegar. Wow, it fills up right away, you see? Okay. This reaction will have loosened the gram. Now let it sit there for 30 minutes. Where are you from? Can you leave a comment to let me know where you're from? I like to add friends all over the world. After 30 minutes, I will add some water, and now I will boil it. We will let it boil for some minutes, maybe from 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, after a few minutes, now I will turn off the heat and we're gonna wash it. Remember to wear gloves when you scrub the pot. It will be very hot, so I will put some cool water, make it warm, and now I will clean it. Now you can pull away a little bit. Just give a little bit, enough for you to scrub. It's very hot. I'm very happy when we connect all over the world. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit the button, subscribe. Thank you for your support a lot. Now let's see whether it becomes shiny. Wow, it's super shiny. Baking soda and vinegar work very well in cleaning this pot. Okay. Now I will wash it. Here is the result. You see, it's very shiny. I'm quite satisfied with this pot now. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Goodbye.